In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn photos into videos using Gemini AI, an innovative tool that transforms your static images into dynamic video content. Let's dive right into the process that makes your visuals come alive with a touch of creativity. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google search page. This is your starting point to access Gemini AI, a tool designed to enhance and animate your photographs seamlessly. Once you're on Google, type in Google Gemini in the search bar. This search will lead you to the Gemini AI site, a powerful platform that integrates advanced technology to transform how we view and interact with images. Next, you'll want to click on the first link that appears, which should direct you to the official Google Gemini website. This site is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look for the Create Video option. This feature is your gateway to crafting videos that are not only unique, but also tailored to your creative visions. Now it's time to bring your photos into the project. Click on the plus sign icon displayed on the interface. This allows you to upload the images you want to convert into a video. Ensure your photos are of high quality, as clear and well-composed images often result in the most stunning video transformations. Take a moment to scan through your collection and select a photo that you feel possesses the potential for a captivating video output. With your image uploaded, the next step involves adding a prompt or theme for your video. Consider the idea of a magical cinematic scene, a perfect backdrop for illustrating the capabilities of Gemini AI. Imagine a black and white room where an Amazon box opens to release vibrant smoke. This smoke floods the space with color, transforming every monochrome object into something vivid. Think of it as a slow-motion journey from a desaturated world to one teeming with life and color. Crafting a creative prompt like this sets the stage for how your photo is animated into video form. Once your prompt is prepared, the final step is to submit your request for processing. Click on the Submit button to initiate the transformation. Gemini AI will begin working its magic, translating your static image into a dynamic visual. This process may take a few moments, but the result will surely be worth the wait. And there you have it. You've successfully turned a simple photo into an engaging video using Gemini AI. Whether you aim to share your creation on social media or keep it for personal inspiration, this tool empowers you to tell stories through visuals in an entirely new way. I hope you found this guide helpful and encourage you to explore all the creative possibilities Gemini AI offers. Thanks for watching and happy creating.